Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and come explore beauty with me. Hello, welcome back, or welcome if you are new to my channel. I got a shipment. Ooh, yeah. So I got a box. This is makeup brushes from Japan. So they sent them to me to try out in a review. So here I am. I did have to pay a $20 duty fee on it, but let's see what I got. So the link to their shopping will be down below. So, and I'll put the company right here. So this is who it's from. All the information will be down below. So let's see, it came all the way from Japan, which is pretty cool. So let's open this up and see what we got. I probably shouldn't use my cuticle scissors for that, but I don't usually trim my cuticles with these anyway, but I do my eyelashes. Not eyelashes, why would I do? No, don't do that. Eyebrows, ooh, eyelashes, ooh, no. No, eyebrows. I trim my eyebrows with this. Now the box is opened. They're packaged really, look at that bubble wrap. How about that? There is a, brush description. Wow, they sent me a lot of brushes, so that is pretty cool. Keep this for garbage. That's about a big box. Okay, so they sent me 2 brush sets. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna put this scissors away before I hurt myself. I have a new little setup. I had this shelf hiding behind, in the closet in the office, and it was just in the way, and I just filled it with crap anyway. So I have a new little thing instead of my plastic 3-drawer bin. Got rid of that. So yeah, a little upgrade the other day. So let's see, they come with the little thing. So this is, oh, wow. Oh, that's cool. My brush description. So these are the brushes that they sent me. Wow. That's pretty cool. So more information on them, little pamphlets. Look at all that. I'll go through that later. That's cool. So put that aside. Let's just get right into one of them. Now that the wrinkly stuff is out of the way, I'm back, and there's the box. You can see my ring light. Nice and shiny. So, this is the one I got. Packaged, oh my, bubble wrap inside. Okay, so packaged, 10 out of 10. So I got, oh, little sleeves. That's nice. So you can store them properly. It looks like there is a pouch for them. I don't know what this is, so let's open it. Everything's in kanji? I could be saying that wrong, but I can't read it. Oh, just a cloth. That's nice. Looked up. Open this one. Oh, it's a bottle. Oh. I'm thinking this is brush cleaner. Yep, brush cleaner. Okay, I do need scissors. A little cleaner bottle. Made in Japan. Very cool, cool. Look at these brushes. I do need to go through and declutter, so we will do that in a video very soon, because look at all these beautiful brushes. Oh, these are nice. So, they're packaged very nice. Looks nice from the outside. Protective sleeve. Oh, those feel great. Oh, I can't wait to put makeup on with these. Oh, that's so nice. They feel fantastic, so soft. Oh my God. This is like luxurious feeling. Ooh, oh, so soft. These feel fantastic. Nice. I like the shape, like for blush, highlighter. I need a new powder brush because mine is looking wonky. I like the shape a lot. That's a good powder brush. Soft, super soft. These feel super luxurious. Okay, let's start. Ooh, this would be good for concealer. Ah, everything feels very high quality. Little detail brush. Oh, nice. Ooh, this one's more stiff. This would be good for carving around the eyebrows. Detailed concealer works. Oh, nice. A nice eyeliner brush. Oh, that'd be good for brows. Ooh, I like this. To like pack in eyeshadow. Oh, look at that. Another little detail. And a spoolie. Can never have too many spoolies in my opinion, and I probably need to get rid of some of mine. This is beautiful. And I do like that they come in this, so if I want to store them, I have these. Great. And sorry, I'm looking at my viewfinder. I'm still getting used to my new camera, and I think my setup is better behind me. I felt so cluttered before. Anyway, off topic. So this is great because if I want to store them, I can. And let's check out this makeup pouch, the brush pouch. Simple little tie. Beautiful. Let's just put them in there. Look at that. Very cute. That's handy. I may keep it in the fancy case. I like the brown and the black. That's pretty. And it rolls up nicely. Well, I'm not the neatest person, so I'm sure you could. There we go. That's nice. Oh, look at that. Okay. So far, so good. They feel fantastic. So I'm gonna keep these and a little cleaner because that's awesome. And let's go with round two, the second package. Let's see what these are, because those felt fantastic. Bubble wrap, amazing. And this must be this one is this. You can, I believe, get individual brushes too. So this is a, oh, white caramel. Oh wait, caramel. Yummy. White camel tone brush set with case. Nice. Bubble wrap, amazing. Ooh, I like that case. That's pretty. We'll open the case. More of these. This is great. Same thing. That's pretty. Okay. This one also comes with a little cloth. I'm not going to open that. Another cleaner. So that has the brush cleaner. I'll keep it in the little plastic. Cute. This is this one. Lots of plastic. Ooh, feel the same. They feel amazing. This is what this one looks like. That's pretty. Okay, nothing like not charging my camera and recording. Okay, well, I learned my lesson. Okay, so I don't know where I left off, but I opened the second set of brushes. This is so pretty. So that I am gonna give this one to my daughter. She picked the cream one. And so soft. The quality feels exactly the same on both so far. So good, so pretty. I'm going to keep opening, see what we got. There's the powder brush, so nice. There's the highlighter. And then here are the other brushes. Spoolie. So yeah, the same in both. Oh, this is nice. It looks like it's the same anyway. Maybe this one has more. It looks like this has a, I'll count them. But there's this one. Little detail brush. Another. I like the little detail brushes. Great brushes. I like the angled one. Nice and stiff. There's this one. And I like the little more detailed. I use this shape in my crease, so I like that a lot. So let's see. I will count. I wonder if it's the same. I don't remember the bigger, fluffier one, but I could have just not been paying attention. Oh no, it is. This one was just white. That's the one. Yeah, so the same brushes In each, they're just different colors. So this is the first kit. Here is the second kit. So cute. I like the white and camel. That's pretty. Perfect. That is gorgeous. They feel amazing. I like the feel of the case too. And I figured, I saw how this one was wrapped because me and my little short memory. You just do that and tuck it in and it's secure. So super cool. Look for my next video where I'm going to be using them to do a full face of makeup. And thank you for joining me. This was fun getting some fancy makeup brushes. There was 2 sets, so both of them, it looked like the, I'll have to look, I'll put what they were worth right here. So this is how much they were worth. I paid $20 duty fees, and thank you Uyeda Bisyoda Company Limited for sending me those gorgeous brushes. They feel amazing. I can't wait to use them on my face because the quality feels fantastic. So I'm excited to use them and look forward to my next video where I try them out and do a full makeup with I'll use all drugstore and Dollar Tree products in my next video, so look for that. And thank you so much for watching me. And don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe if you have not already, and I appreciate you all. And if you want to be notified on my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays, hit that notification bell. Yeah, that's it. I got it right. Hit that notification bell. My mind is all over the place. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Toodaloo.